Most people think banks exist to keep your money safe. But what if I told you the same place you trust with your entire financial life quietly profits from your lack of knowledge? Today, I'm breaking down the harsh truth about banks that most Americans never get told. How they use your money, how they profit from you, and how you can avoid being the one who always loses. Let's start simple, and then we go deep. Here's the first truth. When you deposit your money in a bank, it's no longer sitting there waiting for you. Most people imagine a vault with cash labeled John's Savings, but that's not how the system works. The moment your money hits the account, the bank uses it. They lend it out. They invest it. They leverage it. They make more money with your money while paying you almost nothing in return. You earn maybe 0.01% to 0.5% interest on a regular savings account. Meanwhile, the bank is turning around and lending that same money at 7%, 15%, even 28% if it's used on credit cards. The spread, the difference, is pure profit for them, and that profit comes directly from your lack of awareness. Here's the second truth. Banks want you dependent. Overdraft fees, ATM fees, minimum balance fees, these aren't accidents. They're a business model. The less you understand your finances, the more money they make. The system is literally optimized to punish people who are struggling the most. Think about it. Miss a payment? Fee. Transfer too early? Fee. Account drops below minimum? Fee. Use the wrong ATM? Fee. The average American pays hundreds per year in banking fees they didn't even notice because they're small, quiet, and automatic. Now let's go deeper. Credit cards are the bank's real money machine. Banks don't want you to pay your credit card in full. They want you to pay the minimum, because interest is where the lifetime profit comes from. And the scary part? Interest compounds against you the same way investing compounds for you. If you owe $5,000 and pay minimums, a bank can make thousands off you over the years just from interest. That's not banking, that's a trap. Now here's another harsh truth. Banks judge you even if you've never done anything wrong. Your credit score, your account history, your spending patterns, all tracked. They decide if you deserve a loan, what interest rate you get, and how much risk you are. Meanwhile, they use your deposits to take massive risks in the financial markets without asking you. If their bets work, they profit. If their bets fail, the government bails them out. And you still pay the fees. You still pay the interest. You still get denied for credit. Here's the truth nobody says out loud. Banks are not designed to make you wealthy. They're designed to use your money to make themselves wealthy. Now, this doesn't mean you should avoid banks. They are necessary for safety, payments, and financial structure. But you should never rely on a bank to build your wealth. So what should you do instead? First, don't store all your savings in a regular savings account. Look at high-yield savings, money market accounts, or short-term treasury bills where your money actually grows. Second, avoid carrying balances on credit cards. Treat them like debit cards with benefits. Pay in full, never pay interest. Third, build an emergency fund so you never fall into overdraft or debt traps. Fourth, invest outside the banking system. Stocks, ETFs, index funds, real estate. These are the places where your money can multiply for you, not for the bank. Fifth, educate yourself. Because the real power banks don't want you to have is financial understanding. Once you understand how money works, banks lose control over you. The harsh truth is simple. Banks are not your financial partner. They're a business. A very profitable business. And the only way to protect yourself is to stop acting like a customer and start acting like an investor.
If you learned something today, please leave your thoughts in the comments section. And if you want more videos that break down real financial truths in a simple way, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Your one like and subscribe will push and motivate to make something valuable for our new generation, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next lesson. Because the more you learn, the less power these institutions have over you.